Hello, welcome all. So today we are going to talk about the debt reduction strategies or methods, or I wanted to share with you the tips to reduce debt. So many people are facing with lot of debt, and they are under a lot of stress, and they are not sure on how to come out of this debt, right? So I am giving you 7 tips which you can follow. So the first tip is expense tracker. So there is an app called Day to Day Expenses app, where you can track your expenses, that is your income and expenses, which will help you to identify where you have spent, whether it was an essential expense or non-essential expense, and what was your income. This will give you a clear picture of how you are spending. The second tip is sort your debts in the descending order. For example, credit card interest rate is way higher than a personal loan interest rate. So sort your debts according to the interest rate or the EMI which are paying monthly. Okay, so that is the second thing. Third tip would be the credit card usage, right? Average credit card interest rate, that is the annual interest rate, is 41%. Okay, if you are not paying on time, right? So try to reduce the credit card usage wherever possible, and try to reduce the number of credit cards you have. So the next tip is restructure your existing loans. For example, personal loan, home loan, auto loan, etc., right? Restructure them. Talk to your bankers, restructure them so that it will reduce your EMI on these things, and you can have an extra money to pay out your bigger debt like credit card outstanding, right? So that is the fourth tip. Fifth tip is don't try to create more debt. You are already in debt, and you have to come out of this before you are creating more debt. So you should know about what is your income and what is your expense. So always you should know very well about income versus expense of your income and expenses, right? So that is the fifth tip. So sixth tip is try to create a secondary income. If you are good at something and you think that you can generate some income, it should not be like, it cannot be, or it might not be big, but try to create some kind of income which will help you to pay extra amount towards your EMIs, right? The last and the seventh tip is you have to always have a mindset of saving, and also make your family aware that you are going through a debt, right? So they will also help you by reducing the expenses, and only for essential expenses they will be spending. So this will help you a lot. So if you can follow these 7 tips, right, you can enjoy a debt-free life, stress-free life because of the debt, and you and your family will be can lead a peaceful life, right? So these are the tips which I have, and I'll be giving you the details about the Day-to-Day Expenses app in the description section, and many more details, right? And if you feel that this tips or this video is helpful for you to reduce your debt, please like, subscribe, comment, and feel free to ask any questions on the comment section. Thank you.